only considering November, December, January end तक मेरा 1,20,000 हो गया था. I said there's some magic in ma'am. I have been baking it for many years, but something constructive I wanted to do. Those shares were sold out, and I invested that amount in my course. And I was like super happy, but my parents and everybody was not happy. I enrolled myself for the diamond course. The same day I started getting orders आते हैं, उसमें 1 lakh challenge भी है हमारे पास, and then we have a 10 lakh. He was like, no way, you can't make money with bakery.
Hi everyone. So today you are going to meet someone who has followed the system step by step by step, and she has turned her baking passion into real income. We are not just going to be talking about some theory, some motivation. Here we are going to be talking about real numbers, her orders, and more importantly, how the identity changes, how she has got an amazing transformation. So watch this carefully and make sure that you are going to make lot of notes while my student Rachna is going to share her very inspiring story. So put your hands together and let's welcome Rachna. Hi Rachna.
Hello ma'am, good morning.
So great to do this Hall of Fame interview with you. I'm so happy that you are here and you are going to share your amazing success story with all of us.
When I started last year, it was in the month of March, and I enrolled myself for the course. As I got this link from one of my aunt who sent me through the Facebook. She asked me, since you are interested and passionate about baking and all, you should go ahead and do this. So in initially I was little skeptical about joining, but then I saw your little posts and all. So told my husband that I need to, enroll myself for this, and for that I need to spend some money because it was a course fee which I had to submit. So he was not willing. He said, obviously, it is something which you are getting it from the Facebook, so I don't rely on it. I said, fine, but since this has come up and it seems genuine, and I want to continue because I had left my job and I was not working, but I was working as an online and offline teacher. It was like I always was fond of baking. I have been baking it for many years, but something constructive I wanted to do. Like in the sense that something I should, generate some revenue I should generate, which I was not really getting out. But then I took up this course and I enrolled myself and I did the 3 months challenge, and which I was very happy about. The cakes really came out very well, whatever I did, the assignments and all. And after that, I got the Baker's award also. I came, and for that also, it was a struggle for me coming, which in the November.
So
And
Rachna will get there, but tell me something. Was there any kind of see, because your husband said no to even join the Super Baker program, right? Because like a lot of people feel कि online और especially अगर Facebook
mm,
पे आया है
mm,
तो
mm,
ये कुछ fake ही होगा types, right?
mm,
Lot of people
mm,
have that belief.
mm.
So in spite of that, Super Baker तो चलो ठीक ही है. फिर आपने Diamond भी join किया, right?
मैंने yes ma'am, it was something I don't know. I was bent upon it. I said no, I have to do it.
Hmm.
And he being a working professional, he's also working in TCS. He's a senior
Oh.
consultant in TCS. So so he was not very happy about it. He said, now do whatever you want. I was like very really upset about it, and I kept on talking to few of my friends, asking them what to do. But then after passing the super bakers thing, I for going and collecting the award also was a challenge for me because he was not willing for me sending alone, because it was the first time I would have been traveling. But
And
then
where were you traveling from?
I was coming from Gurgaon.
Okay, Gurgaon to Mumbai. Understood. So ticket
Yeah,
and everything you have to arrange.
yeah, everything. So that was also a big task, a big story. But then I was like, I have to go. and I was determined over that. My parents were not were against. Nobody in the family was like supporting, and I said no, I will manage. And through prayers, I did everything, ma'am.
Wow.
Honestly, and then I came and I got the award. But after returning back, I continuously kept on doing something or the other, which I wanted to go. I wanted to enroll for the diamond course. Again, there was a huge amount that
Mm,
was to be invested, and I didn't have enough.
yeah.
I kept on talking to for like 6 months. It was a battle between me and the money. Then
Yeah.
I told my husband about it. I said, "किसी मैं ना diamond करना चाहती हूँ for the reason only, not for the reason कि मेरे को करना है, but it was like कि I'll get to know a lot of things which are there, and I really liked it because उसमें बहुत variety है which I have been fond of." I said मुझे करना है. Again, he was not मतलब with me at all. And I said, then where do I get the money from? तो I said, तुम्हारे अकाउंट में जितना भी होगा तुम करो, मुझे नहीं करना. I said, नहीं,
Okay.
मुझे बता दो please. Okay, I have some shares and all. I said, sell it out. And ma'am, those shares were sold out. And I invested that amount in my course. And I was like super happy. But my parents and everybody was not happy.
Wow. So, but what made you say yes in spite of not having the family support or not having the money? Like, what really made you say yes?
It has been 30 years I've been married for,
Mm,
right? And I did everything for the family. Now, this was my time where I wanted to invest myself doing something. Under से that motivation and that passion was there because people have been motivating me from like my friends and all कि तू कर सकती है, तू ये कर वो कर, and I have always been doing something out of the box like. So this was something which I said कि well I can take something to a different level. Why not? Why should I stop myself from doing? And why is it that you are not promoting me for something which I can do?
yeah,
I enrolled myself for the diamond course. The day I returned back, in fact, from Bombay,
yeah.
the same day I started getting orders. And
Wow.
day in and day out, I used to thank you for everything because you will not believe the whole of November went me baking every day something or the
Wow.
other.
Oh,
The very first order that came to me was the order from my church.
wow.
And yeah, so I really thank God for that कि मतलब
So it
सबसे
is like
बड़ा
a
मतलब
divine, absolutely, right? Some
yeah,
divine connection. Wow.
मतलब God really helped me out, and it was through prayers, ma'am.
Superb. I mean, but tell me something, what really happened in that event, bakery business retreat, that you are like so much कि मुझे करना है, मुझे करना है. So what is that one thing that you would like to share with us?
Ma'am, it was just your way of presenting us, the way you motivated us, the way you explained things,
Mm,
and meeting people in the retreat. Also, I made so many friends, and
mm,
we are still connected.
correct.
They have been, helping me out with so many
Wow.
things because they were getting the Diamond Award.
Mm,
And I would say thank you to Beverly, who
yeah.
has supported me a lot.
My next question was exactly that. Like, what really changed after joining Diamond, right? Was it like audits, or was it like the community you just spoke about, or the accountability, support session, mindset sessions as well?
Yeah.
What is it that changed for you?
Yeah, so it was like I said, the I need the challenge now. I need to
Mm,
work for the 6 months
mm,
challenge,
mm,
and in which ma'am has also told us that we need to generate the amount, and whatever the amount जो भी orders आते हैं उसमें 1 lakh challenge भी है हमारे पास, and
mm.
then we have a 10 lakh. He was
Yes.
like, no way, you can't make money with bakery. He told
Mhm.
me. I said,
हाँ,
I'm going to prove it कि हाँ
yeah,
हो जाता है. It is not something कि नहीं कर सकते. It may take a period of 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, but
yeah.
I am going to do it. And ma'am, November I started taking orders and all. December में back to back I by God's grace, I got so many orders that it was from school, and it was I did so many bake sales also. Time
Mm.
and again, I was doing bake sales, so I did about 4 5 bake sales also, two at
Oh,
home. During Dashera, I did one. That was the
mm,
first time I did at home.
yeah.
Then I did one at the Christmas. That was another home. Then I did two outdoors
Mm,
and one at school,
mm,
which I did, and as a promotional thing I did.
mm,
So it was all on my own. I used to stay awake, and there was no helping hand
mm,
and at home. So, but I did packing and everything on my own. I did, and
mm,
he was not very happy. He would like give a
mm.
look at me कि हाँ क्या कर रही हो तुम, क्या है,
Yeah.
कितना मिल रहा है, क्या नहीं है. I said don't worry, मेरे को करना है. And till date it was within 2 months, two and
Mm,
a half months or so, I would say, only considering November December,
yeah.
January end तक मेरा 1,20,000 हो गया था.
Superb. This is so powerful. And that is when you are learning the recipes, right?
I was learning the recipes.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy. Superb. Amazing. This is so powerful, right? So, Rachana, what do you feel if you had, see, recipes are there at YouTube as well, on Instagram as well. If you had tried to do this alone, do you think you would have achieved this number in just a short span of time?
mm, I would have, but
Mm,
yes, I would say it's hats off to the recipes that you have given,
mm,
because those are foolproof, and I
mm,
believe in that,
mm.
because nothing goes fail, ma'am. I have tried
Yeah.
all the recipes so far in all the modules I have
Yeah.
tried, and time.
That I see that post. My God, I told Fatima, what is she doing? She's like on a baking spree. Every day I see so many posts, and then suddenly she's like one post, second one post. This is superb. I really want to have students like you in the community. So, Rachana, when did you first realize? See, because again, when we have people around us who are like non-believers, कि ये नहीं हो सकता, तुम क्या ही कर रही हो?
Mhm.
And still you are going ahead. So, when was that moment when you first realized that this is working
It was at the time when I passed, when I got the award,
on
and
stage?
I came, yeah, on the stage from you, and I
Mm,
came back, and the same day, in fact, I
mm.
got quite a big order from the
Wow,
school.
wow.
So it was so that day I realized, I said there's some magic in ma'am. Something is there.
Wow.
Which is helping me out, and of course the press which I've been doing. I said, "Nee, God is great. Something will
Yeah,
come out."
superb.
So thank you, ma'am. I really thank you for everything.
Lovely.
I
So,
am really
Rachna,
super excited.
yeah. So, how did that moment feel?
Yeah, Beverly was just next to me, and
Ah.
I just got a message asking, this is something which I wanted.
Oh,
I
you
said,
got it in the event itself.
yes, in the event
My
itself
God.
I
Wow.
got it. So I told her, I said, see, this is so good that I came all the way from there, because I'm ma'am is lucky for me.
Wow, yeah, this is so powerful. So
Yeah, yeah.
amazing. Crazy. Crazy. Superb. So just imagine, I mean, if you would have delayed joining this community by 1 year, okay, what would have happened?
I would have missed a lot of things, ma'am. I would have wasted. I would
Mm-hmm.
have wasted everything. But yes, it in spite my, even I asked my father, I said, you don't give me the loan, I'll repay you back. लेकिन
Yeah.
मुझे आप join करने दो किसी तरह, कुछ भी करो, but I want it. But हाँ, थोड़ा सा अंदर से डर जरूर था, whether कि मैं कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं, हो पाएगा कि नहीं. What will they say? The first thing that they are going to do is blast at me कि तुमने ऐसा किया वैसा किया. But अभी things are different.
Wow. What are they
I'm just doing it.
looking at this number or this? Now that they are seeing you bake and then you are getting multiple orders. So, what is their take on this? Your parents or husband or
Nothing. Not a word from anyone.
okay, you are just still doing it. Okay, मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं
I'll
पड़ता,
continue because this that तुम तो सुनोगे नहीं, तुम तो अपने मन से ही करते रहोगे. I
I'm
said हाँ मुझे करना है, because I have to keep going ना. क्या
yeah,
करूंगी मैं?
yeah.
And I know I can reach milestone. कर लूंगी मैं.
Yeah, you have already reached, right? So it is just a matter of time now. Crazy, superb. So there are so many women who are watching this interview right now, and maybe in their life as well, Rachna, they are feeling that they do not have this family support, and somehow they are stuck, or maybe they are confused or kind of scared as well. So what would you tell them?
I think what I would suggest, what I can inspire you from my story is, ma'am, need to have the determination to do it. And obviously, obstacles will keep coming,
Mm,
and things, people will not be. I mean, still in my story, there's a lots of ups and downs that I'm facing on a daily basis.
mm,
Every day is a tough day for me, right from the morning. But I keep everything in prayers, and I am a believer of God. So through
wow.
prayers only, my life is going on.
Nice.
So I know things will come smoothly, but you should not be stopping yourself from moving ahead in life.
So true. Amazing.
And
Superb.
that's what I keep telling my daughter also, that you have to keep going and do the best of it, best
Nice.
from your side. Don't let anybody, judge you for anything that you are doing it. Just
Mm.
keep on going ahead.
Crazy. This is so powerful, right? I mean, there is no magic that is going to happen, right? You have to work smart, you have to work hard, and you have to believe in yourself, right? Then only the things are going to fall in place. Otherwise, you
Yeah.
keep focusing only on the successful bakers, how they are doing it, thinking they have figured out everything all by themselves, right? But then there are people like Rachana who are really believing in what they are doing and they are continuing in spite of all the challenges, right? So it is such a powerful share by you, Rachana. Thank you so much for sharing your amazing story with all of us. I'm sure viewers who are watching this have got very, very important golden nuggets through this story because, guys, this is exactly why we created this beautiful DVA community, right? Because here we don't just teach recipes, here we help bakers to build themselves, to build their bakeries, to build their confidence, and to build a profitable woman who can change not just her life but eventually her family's financial story as well, right? So if you want to join this community, I'm sharing the link to join to for all of you all to get you started, just like how Rachana and a lot of other bakers have joined, and how bakers are getting transformed on a daily basis. That is what you will get to experience when you join this community. So thank you so much, Rachana, for a powerful share. I have learned two things from you, right? The two things are not to give up, to and to believe in your dreams, no matter what. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.